Feel good? Feel good? Tickles. Celia, you are doing fabulous. You're doing so good.
A natural.
You are.
It's going to cost Daddy a lot of money someday.
She'll be good. Oh, lean back.
Hold
lean
on.
back.
She's going to put some more soap in it.
Conditioner in there, okay? Lean back and I'll put some conditioner and make your hair feel so good.
Almost done.
What you doing?
Doing my haircut.
Yes, your
haircut.
haircut.
Yay.
You say cheese?
Cheese.
Big girls get their hair cut.
Yeah.
Stay back.
Oh.
This right here. There we go.
How old are you?
4.
4.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Kay remembers when you were just a little baby.
Little bitty baby. You were just a little bitty baby. And now you're 4 years old.
I'm
feel
4.
good?
I'm 4 than a baby.
Yep, not a baby
Not
anymore.
a baby anymore. You're 4. Let me get some more water out of it. You're doing great.
My name. And on the list, my haircut.
Yes, you do.
I can just look at the mirror and show my haircut.
Yes. Uh-huh.
And everybody can get our haircut.
Because big girls get their hair cut.
Yeah. I'm a girl when I got my haircut.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Yes.
he was giving my haircut. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Can you say high maintenance? Huh? Sorry.
Like after we cut like the little pieces of hair,
Mm-hmm.
you might need to let them set.
Oh, to
You
dry
might
out.
not let it just
Mhm.
dry out.
Yeah.
Don says, where would you be at now if I hadn't asked you to come up here? So I wanted to throw my brush at him.
What'd you think?
Do you like this
Huh?
so far, Stella? Isn't this so much fun?
Yeah.
You're so gorgeous and so sweet. Thank you for letting me do your hair. This is fun.
Next, you'll need your nails done and your toes done.
They do that here too.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! So 4 inches total, right? And then it'd be one length, right?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Look, I'm getting my haircut.
I know you're
You
such
are.
a big girl. You're being so good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's so good.
You ready? We'll get the pictures of the first one. Walk in front of Daddy.
What I do is I take it down in sections.
Are you going up?
Woo!
You know it was a
You're so
ride.
tall. Wow. Okay, hold your head all the way down. Put your chin on your chest like
There
that.
you go.
Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's great. That's 4 inches. You want to do that?
Yeah, that's
And
good.
draw up a little bit.
I'm
Mhm,
getting
yeah.
my haircut.
You are.
Here we go.
Is it tickle?
Okay, lay down.
You didn't even feel it, did
You
you?
didn't feel it. Didn't that feel good?
Put your chin right there.
Perfect.
Daddy, I'm getting my hair.
I know.
You're such a big girl.
That's okay. This one's a little bitty tiny. You'll have to do
Keep
a
your
little
chin
bit
on
more
your
on that
chest.
one. There's just a few strands.
Where's my hands go?
You put them on your lap.
Okay. Don't look in the mirror though. Not yet. Just look at your shoes. Oh, like that. That's perfect.
Tell Kay what kind of shoes those are.
Golf shoes.
That's nice. Are you going to play golf?
Yeah, where's Daddy?
Yay. Look how it's gonna put your chin on your chest. Oh, like that. Yeah, just like that. Just say it like that.
Perfect.
Let's look at this little baby.
You
Look how pretty. It's really,
doing, Mommy?
really, isn't that pretty? Okay, how do y'all want me to fix it for today?
There's a Daddy.
We just dry it.
We just usually dry it.
Just kind of dry it on low.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, ready? Does that feel good? Let's go put that on your hair.
Say cheese.
Cheese. I think she's used to the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little.
Cheese. What side do you like to wear her hair to? Some more.
I'm getting my hair cut. I'm getting my hair cut. And I'm doing this. And I'm getting to run. And that. And what to do. And you do is numbers. And you don't. And the words in God. The words are got to and got to are long. And then and the red one, 2 and 3 is it first enemy in my life. And thinking another.
That's a beautiful song. That's good. Are you glad you got your hair cut?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. You're stealing my haircut.
I know. I'm so glad you let me cut your hair.
You're silly. What is that?
Look how pretty.
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It can be off now. Because you've already got your hair cut.
Hey, can you put it on?
Oh, you want it back on? Yes, I can.
She's a stickler for detail.
I'm so glad. I wonder where she get that from. Really? Are you detailed? Oh.
Let me see your face.
Show
Look at
me
me.
your face.
Cheese.
Aw.
Oh. What do you think?
I'm done.
You done?
Do you like your haircut?
Whoop, whoop.
Okay.
Let me see you. Let me see it. Oh, so pretty.
So
Let's see your hair. Oh, it looks good. It's not going to be blonde for much longer.
Nope.
My hair.